How to change the call background of your Samsung Galaxy A54 smartphone. So this is basically going to be either an image or a video playing while you are in the middle of a call using your Galaxy A54 smartphone. I'll show you where to go to change these settings. Let's get started. You'll need to be sure that you are actually using your default Samsung phone app itself, not no other phone app that you might have gotten from the Play Store. So in the Samsung phone app itself, you'll go up here to the top right where the three dots are, and then you'll go to settings. Once you're in the settings section, you'll see call background. And as you're here, you'll see the layout section, which you can choose how it's going to appear in terms of the name and the number. You can have it this big or this small here, okay? So once you come out of here now, you can go to where it says background. As you enter into the background section, you got some presets here. You have this one here, which is going to be just this here. And you also got the video one here, which is going to be that here, but it's going to be like a video playing. You'll notice how the colors are changing, and you can set it as a call background. And then you also got another one here, which is going to be that AR emoji dancing for you. If you want something else more, you can tap on the plus here, and you can either choose from the gallery itself, the photo gallery app on your Samsung phone. And when you go here, let's just say there's a video, you can use that as a video. I'll just tap on it just to show you an example. So you actually want to make sure the video is in a vertical format, not the horizontal format. But just to show you that it's going to appear like this here. Okay, if you have a video, a particular video, it's going to appear like this here. And you can use the sound from the video as your ringtone and then set it as a call background. Okay, this is if you're deciding to use a video from your gallery app. Okay. You can also come back here now and go ahead and create using AR emoji to create yourself one of these here. Of course, this is going to take a while for me to show you all of this here, but just to let you know, you can go through this here, and in some cases, you may be required to update it. And then once you made your selection, you can change the outfit, all of that stuff here. And then once you're done, it can be saved as a video. And then when you're done, it should be one of the options here down here. And then let's say you go into it, and then you can set it as a call background, allowing you to save that, and that's going to be playing in the background for you while in a call. Okay, so hopefully that helped you out. Like and sub. Thanks for watching.